Welcome back to another video.
Another video in the fucking nature today because we're quarantined. And yeah, it's pretty though. You should flip it.
We're just going on a walk.
You can't flip it, huh?
Fuck! I almost fell down this shit. That shit's crazy. Oh my god, did you see that? Okay, so yeah, we're going on an adventure. Hopefully there's no more broken wood over here. Okay, well, this is us on our adventure. We're not going to tell you where we're at because we don't like stalkers.
Oh yeah, we don't do that.
We don't do stalkers.
On an adventure today. Period. Coronavirus! It's really
You dropped your phone again? Oh my god. Control yourself.
No, I twisted my ankle.
Did you really? Bitch.
I just almost like, can you be careful?
I know. Please. There's some logs over here we could smoke at.
Yeah, we can smoke over here.
Aaliyah fell on her ass, twisted her ankle and everything.
Please. Dude, that was crazy.
You're insane. I'm gonna play back that video. Hold on. Slow-mo.
Curb stop that bitch.
Pew pew pew. Pew pew pew. Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a chopper. It's a chopper. Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a 22.
Fucking the first time I ever smoked, I made a fucking like pipe out of a pin from like we were in school and we like were hiding like in the back of the school.
I know, you told me. I was like, a pen.
Yeah, we used a
make a pipe
pin,
out
so
of
we
a
like.
How old were you?
I was in 9th grade.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah, at Newark Memorial, and I fucking was in the back, and we opened the pin up, and then we put like the weed inside, and we sparked it. That's hella ghetto, huh? That's so ratchet.
I did it out of
Careful,
a can.
careful.
Ooh. I did it out of a can.
Oh, I think I've done that too, but later on with
Like a Coca-Cola can.
yeah. And an apple.
I
or
was
no?
so fucking high. Oh,
We should do that. We should
make
make a video
apple?
and do like we should do hella different like ways to make a bong. Like we should use the Hennessy bottle that we've been trying to do. So we just got back from our little adventure we went on when we showed you. And we are at the park. Just a little spot, you know. Something light. There's really not anywhere else to go right now. Times are rough.
Yeah.
Corona. Corona.
Rolling that before we go eat.
Oh, yes. We're about to go eat. It's a surprise where we're going. Oh, I forgot we have to eat outside.
We'll show our food.
We'll show our bomb-ass food. We'll probably forget and be too hungry now. Our high asses. But stay tuned because we're about to smoke this bomb. Coronavirus!
Look, this is what we got to eat. I got you pouring the sauce on it.
Food porn.
Just don't get it in my fucking car.
Just stop. Pulling up, but Tiana just pissed me off. She's been lagging all day, dude. Okay. So, text message says, okay, pulling up, but Tiana just pissed me off. She's been lagging all day, dude. Fucking annoying. I'm gonna just say fucking annoying. Fucking annoying. Go straight until you see Skylar, I think. Leave that out so they don't have her location. I said, okay, pulling up, but Tiana just pissed me off. She's been lagging all day, dude. Fucking annoying, I swear. Stupidly, dude. Like, you were too worried about watching a fucking video on Snapchat.
Well, I'm sorry, but someone spilled a drink.
I'm sorry, but that would be me. I did spill the drink, but fuck, dude. Like, why is another shot. You want a shot of this Hennessy?
Yeah, sure.
I'm like, no, thank you.
I'm not talking to you, Tiana.
Well, pass it, bitch.
You're not hitting my bottle. You got me fucked up.
I don't have you fucked up. You have me fucked up. Why are you laughing? We cannot do this.
Jessica's making me laugh.
God damn it. We can't have to do it with someone else than Jessica.
We're trying to prank you.
We're trying to prank you.
Jessica's making me laugh.
This view spot with Jessica.
What's up, guys? Hello, YouTube.
She took us here. Had some crown.
There's some crown in there, you know, enough for somebody.
About to make some bad decisions.
What are you doing?
See for me?
Got you, bro.
You're gonna chase with the Pepsi?
Wait, isn't it the...
She's like, I can't hang around you, bitches. You're gonna try to prank me 20%. Jessica's like, I got you.
And I was like ready. I was like, wait, hold up, my neck. I can't.
Coronavirus!
I'm stupid.
I don't want to throw him away. I've been putting him back in my pocket.
Tiana.
And can somebody send me like some
Meanwhile, this bitch has a rat in her pocket on the camera.
Myself, gotta take the time to cut them off. I need help. I know how to make the girl go crazy when you treat her like you're number one.